Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Blox Fruits, the game that's been taking Roblox by storm. Whether you're a seasoned pirate or a newbie looking to set sail, this ultimate guide has got you covered. From finding the best fruits to leveling up fast, we've got all the tips and tricks you need. So, let's get started. First things first, for those who might be new to the game, Blox Fruits is an adventure RPG on Roblox, where you can explore a vast world, fight enemies, and discover powerful fruits that give you unique abilities. Inspired by the popular anime One Piece, this game lets you become a powerful pirate or a strong marine, and make your mark on the seas. One of the coolest aspects of Blox Fruits is the variety of fruits you can choose from. Each fruit grants you different powers and abilities. Here's a quick rundown of the top fruits you should consider. 1. Gura Gura no Mi, known for its devastating earthquake abilities, perfect for those who love dealing massive damage. 2. Mara Mara no Mi, grants you fire powers, allowing you to unleash powerful fire attacks. 3. Suk Suk no Mi, this fruit makes you invisible, great for sneaking around and dodging enemies. Want to level up quickly? Here are some proven strategies to boost your experience points. 1. Complete quests. Quests are a great way to gain XP and money. Focus on completing them as efficiently as possible. 2. Fight bosses. Bosses provide high XP rewards and valuable loot. Form a party if needed to tackle these powerful foes. 3. Grind in high XP areas. As you level up, move to areas with higher level enemies for better XP gains. The jungle and desert islands are excellent spots for this. Here are some additional tips to help you on your journey. 1. Use your skills wisely. Master your fruit abilities and learn how to combine them for devastating combos. 2. Join a crew. Team up with other players to make challenging content easier and more enjoyable. 3. Regularly check the shop. New items and fruits come in stock regularly. Always check for upgrades and potential new fruits. Blox Fruits has an amazing community with regular events and updates. Be sure to follow the official Blox Fruits Twitter and join the Discord server to stay updated on the latest news, events, and giveaways. And that's a wrap on our ultimate Blox Fruits guide. We hope these tips help you become the ultimate pirate or marine. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Got any tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the high seas.